Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be planning out my 3-week summer vacation outfits. I am leaving for New York and LA in 5 days. 5 days. I can hardly wait. I'm so excited. I am going with my kid. I have a 13-year-old son. For those of you who are unfamiliar with me and my channel, I have a 13-year-old son and we travel every year. This year our holiday is a little bit different though. Usually we do a beachy, tropical holiday. Hawaii, Thailand, Bali, Fiji, that kind of thing. This year, we have been to LA before, but New York is new for us. And it's going to be a completely different holiday. A lot of excursions, a lot of sightseeing, a lot of on foot, up early, back late kind of days. It's more of an adventure and I don't think we'll be having any beach days. If we do, it may be one in LA. The wardrobe is gonna be completely different. No tunics, no maxi dresses, no caftans, maybe just one cozy and one cover up for that one beach day. I want to show you guys how I pack for my holiday. First of all, I plan outfits. I don't just randomly choose things I want to take. I always plan outfits because that way I don't overpack. I pretty much know what I'm gonna wear on a daily basis because my outfits are all planned. I'm gonna look different in all my photos and I'm gonna feel good and look cute because style is really important to me on a daily basis and that doesn't change when I'm traveling. I like to look and feel good. I'm not a cargo pants, t-shirt, trainers, everyday kind of girl when I'm traveling. I really like to style it up. So that's my philosophy on how I pack. I guess I will show you the curated collection of clothing that I've chosen for this 3-week vacation. So to begin with, in New York, we are there for 9 days. And I've decided when I'm in New York, I want my outfits to be a little bit more understated and classic. And then when we're in LA for 7 days, I want my outfits to be a little more vibrant and festive. And then we also have about 3 days of travel. I have my one airport outfit, which I wear on the way overseas and then on the way home. And then we have a domestic flight from New York to LA, which is a 6-hour flight. It's gonna be summer over there. So I will just wear something that will be an outfit, a summer outfit, so when we land I can just check into our room and we can get straight into our holiday without me having to change and get into an outfit. With that in mind, let me go ahead and show you what I've decided to take with me. Dresses are a staple for me when I travel. They are a one and done, and the great thing about dresses is that you can add a belt, change the shoe, change the bag, add some jewelry, and you have a night outfit. You don't have to have a completely different set of clothes for the evening. So that's why I love dresses so much. And these are the 5 dresses I'm taking with me. This one is by Reverse. It's a long cotton dress, I would say midi length, and it has these beautiful shell buttons. It's a simple, understated dress that just works really well for traveling because you can really dress it up or down, and I really like the way it looks on. I'm also taking my beautiful white eyelet dress. It's a baby doll short dress, very cute. And I got this from TK Maxx. The brand is The Prairie. I really love this dress. It's very pretty. I'm also taking my 3rd story tank dress, which has the cute little tiered skirt. Love that one. Great khaki neutral. This one's also from TK Maxx. Paper Crane is the label. It's a little short shirt dress in this gorgeous flower print. And then finally my Nordic dress, a midi boho dress with this flower embroidery, and I love this dress so much. I'm so looking forward to wearing it. And I plan on wearing all these dresses once in both cities. So that's 10 outfits already done. The bottoms that I will be taking are only two. First off, of course, my denim skirt, which is by Lee. I absolutely love this skirt and I'll be wearing it in both cities for sure. And the other bottom is my linen pants, and these are by Worthier. They're a classic oatmeal color, and again, both in New York and LA will work perfectly. This is a new one and it's by the label Rhythm. I love it so much because it has my beloved palm trees and it's so cute. It's just a little crop tank top. It will work well with either bottoms because it's cropped and it's just beautiful and summery, and I plan on wearing this one in LA with both, either the shorts or the denim skirt. It will work. This top also is an off the shoulder little number. What's the label? Circa Collective. I've had it for a while. I love the violet color, I love the stripe, and it's off the shoulder and very pretty. I think it'll work well with a denim skirt and maybe even the oatmeal linen shorts too. So that's definitely an LA top. This sports girl plaid little tee with the wooden buttons I'm gonna wear in New York with both the denim skirt and the oatmeal shorts. I have my classic striped v-neck linen tee by Sports Girl, which I plan on wearing with both my linen shorts and the denim skirt as well. Now you may be thinking that this is not enough clothing for a 3-week vacation, but trust me when I tell you that it is more than enough clothing because I have 18 outfits here. And when you consider that I am away for 19 days and 2 of those are traveling, so 2 days of airport outfits, I have more than enough outfits here. Just changing, you know, these dresses up as I mentioned. You've got some night outfits. You don't need to take extra dresses and extra pieces for nighttime. All you need is a change of shoes and accessories and you're done. So let me show you my accessories. So with my shoes, I am taking my laceless Connies. They're a beautiful chambray, so they will go with all the outfits I've shown you, but I'm also going to wear these to the airport when I'm traveling because when you're going through security in America, you have to take off your shoes, and I'll be taking them on and off, and they're laceless and so easy to slip on and off, especially when you're in the plane also, low profile and laceless, and you can slip them on and off and walk around the plane, and they're just the best and easiest and most comfortable. So great for the airport and great for all my outfits. And then I'm also taking another pair of trainers, and I've decided to not go for my predictable white trainers. I will probably pick up a new pair while I'm over there anyway, but I'm taking my Dedes Clouds in my lavender nude color, and I think they work back with everything I've just shown you anyway. They're very soft and neutral. I think they'll look cute. And then I have just a classic pair of tan leather sandals that will work with everything I've just shown you also. And then I have these jelly sandals, which are so cute and can be dressed up or down, and I just love them. They're so comfortable. So 4 pairs of shoes is all I am taking. This is the jewelry I've decided on taking for this trip. I'm getting back into my wooden bangles. I just love them so much. They're so earthy and classic. I'm taking a couple of pairs of dangly earrings. These are by House of Harlow, and these are by Gorjana, I think. Oh, and I'm also going to take my classic Michael Kors hoops, and then just a long gold necklace. I may need a long chain, and I can also double it up if I wish, and then just another shorter gold chain. But that's all the jewelry I'm taking, and this is my little travel pouch for my jewelry. And it's got little compartments. You just put all your jewelry in there, and that's how my jewelry travels with me. These are my Tommy Hilfiger prescription sunnies. I'm definitely taking these with me, but I also have my non-prescription Ray-Bans, which I'll be taking with me. So just a couple of pairs of sunnies to change up the look. I'm taking this palm tree scarf. I think it's just beautiful. I love palm trees and I love a little pop of something over an outfit. It just adds something if I feel like it. I may not wear it, I may, but I'm taking that. And then I'm also taking this shawl, which can dress up an outfit. If I'm going to dinner and it may get a little bit cold, I can throw this over my shoulders and it dresses up an outfit. And I'm also a lot warm and it's really pretty. And I think the neutral soft tones will work well with everything I've just shown you also. And then I'm also going to take this little skinny scarf. It's by Coach. I love the soft blues and I intend to wear this in my hair if I put it up. The belts I'm taking are a tan belt and a black belt. So this is my tan plaid belt by G-Star and this is the black one from Glassons, and that's cute too. They will do a great job of cinching in my dresses. I'm only taking one hat. I plan on buying a new hat. I was trying to look for one but couldn't find one, so I may find one over there, but this will work. And as I mentioned, I may be having a beach day in LA, and if I do, I've got just a cozy and a wrap, a little sarong and a little cotton beach bag that I love. And I can also use this as a tote also if I want to. It'll work back with all my other outfits too. And then the 3 bags that I'm taking with me, this is my Coach backpack. This is the bag I'll be taking with me when we travel. So to the airport, I need to carry a lot of stuff, all our documents, snacks for my kid, and phones and camera and things like that. So I do need quite a large bag, so that's why I'm taking this one, and it's a backpack so I can have my hands free. This is the bag that I'll be taking with me every day while we're traveling and touring and sightseeing on foot. I just love it so much. I think it's going to be so handy, this sling bag. I love it. It's from Suzanne and it's white and it will go with everything that I've just shown you as well. And for the evenings, I've decided to take my little chain bag. It's a leather quilted bag. It looks like Chanel, but it's not. It's made in Florence. It's beautiful. It's vintage. And I think it's beautiful and dresses up an outfit and is just what I need if we go out to dinner of an evening. And I just need some cash and my phone, and that's about it. So they're the bags that I'm taking, and I'm taking just one pair of PJs with me. These are new actually. I got them from TK Maxx. They were only 10 bucks, believe it or not. And I love it because they're very tropical looking. And you may think I'm very gross for just taking one pair of PJs for such a long trip, but I don't wear PJs at all. I wear my underwear, so I thought it was about time I invested in a pair of PJs, and I plan on wearing them on this trip. And you know, I shower before I get into bed, so I'm going to be clean when I wear these, and I don't sweat, so I don't see any need to pack more than one pair. And these are the packing cubes I use to pack all my clothing and accessories in. I have 3 different sizes. I have the largest size, and then a medium size, and then a smaller size. And I got these from Maya. I can't imagine traveling without these. They are the best thing. They just make everything so compact. Nothing's flying around your suitcase. Everything is so neat and tidy. I will put all my dresses in one, all my tops and bottoms in another, all my accessories in one, all my underwear and, you know, bras and things of that nature in another. They're just so great. And if you're interested in seeing how I pack my suitcase, I have a video already on that, and I will link it down below. That's basically it, guys. That is everything I'm taking with me on this 3-week vacation. Okay, I didn't show you my bras and undies, my makeup, my toiletries, my tools, my beauty stuff. If you would like to see how I pack my suitcase and how I use those packing cubes, I have made a video on that and a lot of other travel videos. I will link those down below for you guys. But yeah, that's basically it. I am so excited for this holiday, you guys. Actually, as you are watching me now, I am probably in LA. Yeah, we would be in LA, I would say, around this point in time. I'll be active on Instagram stories, so if you want to see what we're getting up to in New York and LA, then give me a follow on Instagram. But I guess that is it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can see all these outfits in action. I plan on filming lookbooks in New York and LA, and also vlogs of my New York and LA adventures with my son. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of those videos. Make sure you click the notifications bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. But I guess that's it for this one. I will see you when I return from my travels. Until then, take care.